Look at that. Oh.
Whoa.
If that size fish is getting almost bitten in half, then there's got to be some huge things down there. Just incredible, this country. We can see fish splashing up everywhere and an incredible array of life in such a beautiful bay. You know, if you want to learn more about animals and how to catch them, then there's only one way to do that properly, and that's live with them and rely on them like your life depends on it. Essentially, that's what Aboriginal people have been doing. Their intuition and knowledge goes well beyond face value of these animals and this country. You know, if there's thunder over one section of the bay, then that means, you know, there's a certain type of fish moving into the shallows on the other side. All life is connected, you know, if it's directly or indirectly, and they know this. This knowledge is their version of literacy. And boy, can they read this bay. 50,000 years of living on the land, you'd know a few tricks.
Morgs and I are pumped because at the moment we've just come in through the heads behind us and we've entered a beautiful body of water called Arnhem Bay. It's a big body of water, it's about 30 k's in diameter and it's fed by 6 or 7 really large river systems, so the variety of species of fish in here are incredible. And more specifically, we're heading to an outstation called Unicave. A couple of our really good mates live here, Daryl and Marcus Lacey and their families. It's a great friendly little community and it's going to be an adventure-full couple of days.
Daz.
How you going?
Daz. Hey mate.
See you again.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
What's going on?
Good. Oh, not much. Just been chilling out. How was your trip up here?
Good.
All right.
Wasn't too bumpy.
Bit messy around that corner.
Yeah.
All right.
Otherwise, all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, is Marcus here?
Yeah, he's just at school teacher.
Okay.
Yeah.
Be back
My
later.
mum's here.
Yeah, can we actually say pay our respects to Balach?
Yeah, sure.
Haven't seen her for a while.
Yeah.
Go for a walk and
All right.
have a chat.
Let's go, eh? Hey, Balach, Numbody.
Nice to see you again.
G'day, how you going? It's all right. Thanks for the permission to come out again.
Welcome.
Oh, that's great. I haven't seen you for a couple of years, I reckon. It's been a while. Place looks great. You've been making Daz work, have you?
You're going fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hope so.
Yes,
Yeah.
bring back.
We bring back.
For dinner, free
Okay.
Indigenous.
We promise.
Thanks, Balach.
Have a good day.
Just across there, Daz, through those sand flats.
Yep.
As this tide is going out, more and more of these sandbanks are becoming exposed, and this looks like a great little one. It's got a deeper side over there where the water's hitting as it comes out and turning into the flat section there. And as you can look out there, there's hundreds of birds hitting some sort of bait, which is always a really positive sign. Oh, there's lots of queenfish underneath that too, but for some reason, I'm on logistics again.
Here we go. Yeah, here we go.
Little queenies.
Whoa.
Hey!
Whoa. Beautiful fish. Hoping to catch a few bigger specimens tomorrow. Just absolutely great fun in this environment too. Literally every cast now.
Ready? I'm going to do I'll get one within 2 winds of my reel here.
I'm on straight away. I didn't even wind then. I think this is a Trevally. Oh, there's one with him right there. There he is. Look at
Get
him.
out of here.
What? Has he got any fear? Whoa. Make life easy for all of us if you just settle down. Oh,
This
that
spells trouble for Simpson.
Here we go.
He's on. No, he's not. He's
Hartney's
on.
on here. Oh,
I'm coming your way. Careful there, Daz.
there are still hundreds of them out there. Every single cast. Let's get the spears out, hey?
Yeah.
What's that stingray coming your way, Daz?
Got him? Got him.
Oh! Yeah. Alright. And we'll eat him tonight?
We'll eat him tonight. Okay.
So where's his barb there, Daz?
Yeah, just there.
Just there.
We'll just get it off.
Okay, so you cut the barb off?
Yep, bite the tail.
Yep. Wow. I thought it'd be more solidly based in there.
Look closely, there's the barbs face downwards.
Yeah.
So once it goes in, you can't pull it out.
Okay.
You got to push it through.
Yep, and all that black sort of skin on top of it
Yep.
is the poison.
Okay.
So when it goes in, and if you goes through the other side, all that black poison stays inside in your body, and that's what gives you the pain.
What do you do if you do get stung? Right.
Hot water.
Okay.
You have to put it in hot water. Don't try and pull it out. Just go straight to the hospital.
We couldn't have asked for a better afternoon, really. I mean, one of our good mates taking us around his homeland, showing us the country.
Daryl's an outdoors man par excellence.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Every pursuit outside, he's a king at. He's a great diver, great hunter,
Great fisherman.
great fisher. Yeah, he's incredible. And he's a senior ranger at the local land management Dimmeroo as well, which gives him a vast bank of knowledge to count on when he's passing his info on to us more.
That's right. Yeah, anyway, looking forward to a bit of stingray tonight, a bit of fish that we've kept. And Marcus Lacey, Daryl's brother, will also joining us for dinner.
And Daz has just run, he's just done a 2K outward leg. It's a 2K outward leg and now he's thigh deep in mud and he's going to bolt back. I played on him in a game of footy, no wonder he just absolutely towed me up.
Anyway, I'm buggered.
Yeah, let's go. Come on, Daz.
Get back, Daz.
Come on, Daz.
Enough's enough, mate. I mean, I love my hunting, but seriously.
So we're just going to cut the wings off the stingrays. So to do that, we'll just push it through the other side, slice it up like that. So this part here is just the head.
It's all bone there,
all
right?
bony, so we don't cut it up.
Looks like shark meat, doesn't it?
What's the human name for these?
So this is Maranjal.
Mungyal.
Maranjal.
Mungyal.
Yep, Maranjal. Not bad. Pretty good.
How long?
For about 15 minutes.
15, 20? Yep.
Just take that over to Marcus and then we'll do a joint
Stingray feast.
feast.
So whilst we were fishing out there with Daz for stingray, Marcus actually ventured out further and got some himself. How many did you get, Marcus?
About 6.
About 6.
Yeah.
So these are the wings.
So this is the wings.
Okay. So he's taking
Yes.
meat away?
Yep.
The-
Take the
Skin away?
top layer skin
Okay.
and then separate the meat into the bowl.
Okay. Marcus, is it normally when you you cut meat up, you cut an animal up, there's a certain process about it that has to a custom?
It's very important, especially if it's like big animal like turtle,
Yeah.
crocodile, dugong,
So it's culturally important that you kill it and cut it the right way.
right way.
Okay.
Same way as they did it in the beginning.
Okay.
It's been passed down through generation, knowledge from maybe from father to son or from grandfather to grandson. There's volumes and volumes and volumes of song lines and stories recorded. You know, it's in thin air.
Yep.
It's not recorded in books.
Yeah, okay.
You know, you could almost say we're spiritual learners.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah, yeah,
The key is have the spirit of humility.
yes.
You know, to be able to absorb all this information. So now,
Here
so
we
you
go.
get a handful, and then you squeeze it out. Squeeze it in here.
Can I do that?
Yep, go for it. That's the secret, is to get it flat like that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of skip,
And then make a ball out of it.
Yep.
Okay.
and then slowly bring it around.
Yep.
Spread them out. So we'll do half by half, I think.
Just break it up.
So we put the liver in now.
Yep.
It's cool, eh?
There's many ways to do it, but what I normally do it, I squeeze it up and then spread it. So that's why it spreads better when they mix it in straight in like that.
Oh, you'd be happy if you get a big bit of liver.
So what's the last process of this?
This is it.
This is it. We eat
This
them
is-
like this.
Get them like this.
Wow. This is it. Ready to go.
That's dinner.
It's dinner.
Giddy, yeah.
That is really incredible. But it's a bit of
Fish.
tastes a bit like
Obviously
crayfish
fish.
too.
Yeah,
A
crayfish.
bit
Yeah.
like crayfish.
Yeah.
More the texture of crayfish, you know, that springy.
Yeah. That is incredible though. That is now probably one of my favourite foods.
Where you want going tomorrow?
Any suggestions?
Well, there's a island in the middle of the bay
Yo.
called Buraku.
Mm-hmm. Good fishing?
Yeah, really good.
Really good. Can you tell us how to where it is?
It's in the middle of the bay.
Huh?
Got this big Arnhem Bay like that,
Yo, we're over here.
and you got that. Yep, we're here,
Yep.
and it's about roughly about nearly 15 kilometer.
Yep. In the middle.
Start in the middle here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where's the best side for fishing?
This one all sand,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
but you got good drop off coming up on the west side of it.
Okay.
So west tip.
Yep.
Rocks and bombs.
Yes,
Rocks.
so there's bombies there,
Oh yeah.
and yeah, you'll get any fish you want there.
Beauty. All right, done. That's what we're doing tomorrow.
Sweet.
Great.
It's all good to camp there?
Yeah, so I've got
Legend.
permission from family already.
Thank you very much, and
Thanks,
thank you
boys.
for the dinner. Wonderful.
Yo.
Thank you.
You guys have a safe trip out
We
there.
will.
Legend. Thanks, mate.
Okay. That there is a king brown, which is one of the most venomous snakes in the world, and it was under one of our swags there. So that had bitten us. We're almost a goner, really, Daz. Is that right, mate?
Yeah, if you don't get a chopper down here, you're pretty much dead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is he threatened now, Daz?
He's cornered, so get any closer, he'll start striking. Just about to head out to the island that Daz pointed out to us last night. That's in the middle of this huge bay. It's a small island about the size of a football field, Daz. Is that right?
Something like that, yeah.
Because not many people have visited this place, Daz.
Yeah, not in a long time, so it's
Okay.
pretty remote. So you have to be pretty safe out there. Boat safety, moor your boat really well. Crocodiles as well. There's a big, about 5.5 metre croc
5.5 metre croc
cruising
around here.
around. So try to get some high ground and multiple fires around you.
That'll keep them away.
That'll keep them
to
away
there.
from the room, yeah.
Fire watch. All right.
Yeah, that's it.
Morgs might get a chance to do his fire dance.
That's it.
That's sacred. I don't bring that out on camera. Anyway, thanks, Daz.
No worries.
Cheers.
Good luck, boys.
Thank you.
Sorry, mate.
Yeah, she's a low-lying island. We're going to be very croc conscious. But she's beautiful. Look at that. There's a lovely little sand spit coming off there, and we've noticed a lot of bait.
Another one that end. So the advantage of this island is that it's right in the middle. It's the only structure within 15 k's either side of it. All the bait fish that have been washed out of every estuarine system and free floating in the middle of this bay are holding on to dear life to this structure. This is their only protection in a world of hurt.
All right, let's catch some fish.
Yep, sounds good.
This looks like queenfish in giant Trevally territory, and they can't resist a big surface lure, so that's what they're going to get.
Exhibit A going out the back here now.
All right, this looks like a great area. How deep is that, mate?
4 or 5 metres, I reckon. Oh, yep,
Oh,
there
he's
we go.
on. Get that up for a shark, gets him Simo.
Oh, you beauty, come on, whatever you are, I'm enjoying this. I can feel big tail whips. It could be a big trevally. Oh, hang on.
Get him back here, here we go.
Oh,
big trevally.
Nice one. Nice.
Here we go, got a friend here. You've got a friend, keep him there. Here we go. This is where I'm going to come into. Look at you.
Oh, there's his friend, there's his friend.
Got it. Oh, whoa.
Uh-oh.
Oh, whoa, now I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble.
Oh, wow. This is a big unit. To be interested in.
As you can see, they're tough animals. And when you find trevally like this, big queenfish aren't far behind.
As a glorious
Hang on.
trevally,
I'll get mine up too.
mid-range. They're constantly swimming. They're just the aerobic athletes of the ocean.
Oh wow, look at the fish underneath him. And this, look at the shark, we've got a big lemon shark here now.
Whoa, that's a big one.
Big one, and
He's got him. Whoa. Oh.
So,
Oh.
he's got his tail there now.
Uh-oh.
He's having a bit of a munch. He's having a bit of a munch. And that shark could be as long as this boat nearly, I'd say.
Sleepy sharks, they're called, aren't they?
Yeah.
Because they're dopey. They look like you when you wake up, Morgs.
I mean, there's
There's
another little reef shark coming up behind, but this may seem a little gruesome, but this is what happens every 5 seconds around these remote places like this. You know, it's dog eat dog out here, and what that trevally was trying to do to my lure, this shark is doing a similar thing to that trevally. Gonna have another little nibble. There he is, look at that. Wowee. All right, I'm getting this fish in, but look at that. That is how things work out in Arnhem Land. If you're in any kind of distress, you're in trouble. I'm going to put this guy back in because he will go back and feed a lot of other fishes, so the cycle continues. So it's not an unfortunate waste. He will feed a lot of other smaller fish, some bigger fish, some sharks. There's a shark right on him there, so.
The biomass stays the same.
That's right.
Nothing moves out of the biomass, it stays in the system. You've just got a very, very happy lemon shark.
His way.
Oh!
Oh. Trevally? Beautiful little speckled colour combination on him.
If you had skin like that, you should definitely be wearing sunscreen. Looks like he's worked outside.
Has he got a couple of melanomas he needs to check up on there?
Yeah,
That one looks
checked.
malignant.
Change of shape. Uneven borders.
Simo knows a lot about melanoma, mate. Gets checked up 3 times a day. Walks outside the clinic, gets a bit of sun and walks straight back in.
I'll have to get my post-lunch check as I get back to camp.
Simo gets sunburn at night. Is that white?
I get burnt by the light in the fridge.
Oh, trevally. Geez, they're doing flybys. You can see him go through.
What are the trevally?
Here we go, there's something playing and we're on. And we're on. Whoa, 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 where's going to be? It's like shopping at a supermarket here. You can sort of just choose which one you're going to take off the shelf.
Oh! Big queenie.
Whoa, it's a big queenie.
Big queenie.
Little beauty.
You're up my buggers here, mate. There we go, that's what we're after.
Can you let a bit of line out for me, Morgs?
Beautiful dots that fade away there. They've got a nasty spike that just comes out there. But if just have a look at their tenomon, he's just so skinny. That's where they get their name skinny fish from, and that's why they can move so fast in the water. is because obviously hydrodynamically they're not got a lot of drag about them underwater.
And another amazing thing is when you see these guys catching a bait fish, they can actually turn. Not many fish are that flexible. They can turn right around in a circle, right on themselves. They're such a great fish, and they get aerial all the time when you're fighting them. Beautiful sport fish. And
in fact, we can have him tonight as a bit of nummus.
Nummus, yeah. Righto, yeah, let's do that. Cooking him with a bit of lime juice, using the acidity in the lime juice to cook him. Nice firm fish.
Yeah.
Oh, let's do that, eh? I did piano lessons for a year. Got a bit intimidated by the teacher.
Are these fires really going to stop a 5 metre croc?
Well, that's all we got.
Pancakes in them? Out of 10?
A low 6.
Whoa, I'm not after a Michelin star here, so I'm just after a bit of breakfast.
It's up from your average.
Oh, well, my average is below 6. That's not to do. This is our final morning in Arnhem Bay. And again, we've just had some spectacular fishing. And again, the generosity that Unicave outstation has shown us has just been mind-blowing. Marcus and Daryl particularly are two really strong leaders in their community here. They're actually, doing a lot to bridge the gap between non-Indigenous and Indigenous people by just letting the non-Indigenous community know the complexities of the Aboriginal culture, how complex it is and how important the land is to them. I mean, we see land as Europeans as sort of a commodity-based acquirement. They see it as part of their life story and their laws, and particularly hearing Marcus last night was great to get a bit of insight to that. Anyway, I say we fish that point before we leave.
Righto, one last flick. Can you taste that bug on your lemon? You had a real big red bug on that when I squeezed it. I don't know what it was.
Look, it only raised my average.